Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the warning message. You are running this virtual machine with side channel mitigations enabled in VMware. This message can sometimes slow down your virtual machine performance, so let's go ahead and disable it using two simple methods. First, shut down your virtual machine. Now select your virtual machine, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Go to the Options tab. Then click on Advanced. You'll see an option called Enable Side Channel Mitigations. Simply uncheck this option. Click OK to save the changes. Now start your virtual machine again, and the message should be gone. You should do this for every virtual machine individually. Now, I'll show you the second method, which will apply to all virtual machines at once. First, type Windows Features in Search. Open Turn Windows Features on or off. Now scroll down and find Hyper-V. Uncheck Hyper-V. If not available Hyper-V, find Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform. Click OK, and Windows will apply the changes. After that, restart your computer. Once your system restarts, open VMware again and run your virtual machine. The warning message should now be completely gone, and your VM performance may also improve. That's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.